Hello everyone, I'm back with another tutorial and today we'll be doing a fantasy painting. I'm first painting some pyramids here, and on the right faces of all the pyramids I'm using a light shade which is a mixture of white and yellow ochre. And on the left faces of all the pyramids, I'll be using a comparatively darker shade for which I mixed some brown to the previous shade. For the ground, I have switched to a thicker size brush and I'm using yellow ochre directly. Once again switching to a thinner size brush, I used some brown at the lower sides of the ground and blended them right there by brushing over it. On the left faces of all the pyramids, I'll be adding details with brown here using a size 0 detail brush. On the right faces of all the pyramids, I'm using yellow ochre for the details. For the sky now, I have a planet here, only a quarter of which is visible. On the border, I used light blue. For the main parts, I used ultramarine blue and then popped in some Prussian blue for the details. With a clean brush here, I'm brushing over the border of the two shades so that they blend. Just brush over it, but keep in mind not to bring the whole light blue area in it or the whole of it will become dark in color. Now outside the border of this planet, I'm using a light shade of blue which is a mixture of light blue and a tiny amount of white. Now I have taken some white in my brush and next to the border of the planet, I'll be blending the white into the blue so that it becomes a very light shade of blue. And from one corner of this planet, I'm painting some strokes. Just have the light shade in your brush and move it over in a light upward stroke. Make sure that you lift your brush up from the sheet as you move towards the end of your stroke. After the light shade of blue, I'm here using ultramarine blue. For the blending here, I used a clean brush to brush over the border of the two shades. Give a light more pressure here than you usually do for normal painting. The heavier pressure will lift off the dark pigment from near the lighter shade. I'm using Prussian blue here. Once again for the blending, take a clean brush and with a heavy hand brush over the border of the ultramarine blue and the Prussian blue. I'm now here using dark green. And for the blending, as usual, brush over the border of the two shades using a clean wet brush. I've added some more dark green strokes here, and once again blending the edge by brushing over it with a clean brush. And in the rest of the spaces, I added Prussian blue. I redid the rest of the strokes with the light shade. Peel the masking tape off after your painting has dried up. Here you are with your aesthetic fantasy painting. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, if you recreate this, you can send it to me on my Instagram handle, link for which is given in the description. Thank you for watching.